Dear friends, in this video, I'll guide you through the SUPERexam platform and show you how to use its resources effectively for SQE2 preparation. The platform offers a marketplace of various resources, including live events, an extensive library, one-to-one bookings, structured courses, and study groups, all designed to enhance your learning experience. Let's start with the dashboard. Dashboard is your central hub. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your account, showing your upcoming sessions, booked events, and key services. You can quickly access your one-to-one booking system, browse available sessions, and check your personalized learning path. If you don't see any upcoming events, they will be displayed here once booked. Live events is all about the interactive learning. We regularly host live revision lectures covering essential areas of SQE2 law and skills. One of our standout features is the legal theatre, where candidates participate in mock assessments such as client interviews or advocacy exercises, while others observe and learn. To book an event, navigate to the events section or find them on your dashboard. Choose your session and purchase a ticket, unless it's included in your package. Submit any pre-session questions. Join the session at the scheduled time. Some sessions may include pre-released materials or additional resources afterward. Library is made for self-work. The library contains a wealth of resources, including video lectures and podcasts covering both skills and substantive law. For example, if you're studying criminal drafting, you'll find a structured breakdown of drafting techniques. Sample drafting documents, for example, defense statement with detailed explanations. You can download lecture notes and self-practice materials. The drafting lectures cover not only the most relevant documents that may appear in the exam, but also include drafting mocks for self-practice with suggested answers. This allows you to refine your skills independently, potentially reducing the need for one-to-one sessions and helping you save money. One-to-one bookings. Here you will find different sessions that you may book choosing mock, date, time, tutor, in areas such as client interviews, legal drafting, research, writing, case and matter analysis and advocacy. Here's how to book a session. Go to the booking section. Choose the type of mock. Select the legal area, property, wills. Pick a tutor, date, and time. Choose your feedback type, attendance note individually marked, or with a suggested answer. If you opt for the individually marked, you will have two mock sessions. One, client interview, and the second, handwritten attendance note marked by a solicitor, which is highly recommended to ensure you're exam ready. All your booked one-to-one SQE2 sessions can be found in the classroom, your personal study space. The classroom is where all your individually marked SQE2 assessments are displayed. This section is essential for tracking your progress, tutor feedback, grades, and submitted exam papers. In the classroom you can view marked assessments and detailed feedback, access tutor comments, notes, and suggested improvements, download exam papers and submitted answers, communicate with your tutor if needed. This is your go-to space for structured learning, ensuring you stay on top of your progress. Finally, how you may pay for the services and packages. To purchase individual resources or top up your account, visit the wallet section. Use the calculator to plan your purchases and apply automatic discounts based on your selections. Discounts apply when you reach certain thresholds, creating a bespoke package that suits your needs. Pay securely via Stripe, or request an invoice for a bank transfer. Track all transactions and receipts under the Transaction History tab. If you're purchasing a full package, you can buy it directly without needing to top up. Courses provide a structured learning path, guiding you step by step through SQE2 law and skills. We offer SQE2 Law course, covering criminal law, wills, property, Dispute Resolution and Business Law. SQE2 Law and Skills course, integrating legal skills training with substantive law revision. Courses include intensive group and individual simulations as your exam date approaches. The course interface allows you to access lectures and interactive study materials, use digital note-taking tools, customize and download your notes, track progress and adjust your learning timeline. If you already own some resources, the system will automatically deduct them from your course price. You can join study groups based on your exam type, your exam date, your jurisdiction, your learning preference, group discussions, peer support, etc. Each group has a dedicated chat, discussion boards, and notifications for important updates. The calendar syncs with Google Calendar, helping you track all booked sessions, deadlines, and events to keep your preparation organized. Test results from quizzes and MCQs are accessible separately in the results section. That's an overview of how to use SUPERexam for your SQE2 preparation. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us. Start preparing smarter and maximize your chances of success with SUPERexam.